Mhm. Hi everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to the webinar series. We are on time. Let's just wait for 2 minutes, all right, for everyone to tune in, and I will start the session shortly. All right. By the way, can you guys hear me clearly? If you have any question, any pair you want me to have a look for you guys, you can just send in the Q&A section, or you can just send in at the chat box below. All right. Okay, shall we start our section? Again, welcome everyone to IronFX webinar series. Okay. Before the webinars, I just want to highlight risk warning, every hand disclaimer. Anything in this video, all right, is purely for education purpose. All right, nothing should be considered investment advice or investment recommendation. If you want to trade, please do your own due diligence before you guide trade. All right, and risk warning over here. Trading for like and safety may carry significant risk to your capital, and it may not suitable for all investors. So please come and join the webinar and learn together. The speaker today, my name is Peggy. I'm an investment analyst and a prop trader as well. Okay, just maybe you just go over to the Forex factory to watch out the high impact news like for entire week. All right, so today is a Thursday and we already have the data out for the GBP. This is you just change here time zone wherever you are, and over here I just put like GMT plus 0 or UTC. Okay, so the data already out for the GBP. You can see that today unemployment change is at the positive for Aussie dollar, and the GBP is negative for pound, right? GBP here, you can see the number here, and later you need to take note of which we do you have euro over here, so it's going to out at 15 p.m. and for the US dollar we have at 12:30 p.m. unemployment claim for later news. Okay, and another one is 12:45 and 10 p.m. and tomorrow Friday, okay, GBP again at 6 a.m. and 12:30 and CAD. So these are high impact news that you guys need to take note of. Okay, so basically if you want that to filter out, okay, either you want to see the entire the calendar, you can just you know do the filter over here, but usually I just untick those like unimportant news, and I just want to keep those like red and orange color. Okay, all right, let's just we go over to our chat. And again, if you want me to have a look for you any specific pair or instrument, you can just send a request. If not, I just go through or the major and maybe crypto and commodity and indices. Okay, so what we can see over here again, we need to highlight the key level for okay, dollar index. And you want to see at daily time frame, we already know that here price is on downtrend or bearish, because if you were to look at daily time frame, price kind of like they are making the M pattern, right, over here. And what you can see, and they also make a lower high from here to here. They make a lower high. So you can use Ichimoku cloud as well for momentum indicator. Okay, you can see that in the little time dollar index price already break below Ichimoku cloud, so we will buy at short for DXY. And you can see clearly in H4 as well, price already make a lower low, lower high, and over here they create a like equal high, right? And one here you can see that they make a lower low, lower high, and we already know that price on downtrend, but the current price, they are at the support level. Let me identify the key level for dollar index. Okay. Okay, I will just highlight from this level. Okay, this I identify at my first support for dollar, and this is my first resistance, my key resistance level, let's say, and the next resistance level, you can highlight which is that at this level. Let's just identify the key level, and when price approaching the level, the key level, okay, you can go to the lower time frame like M5 or M15 to look for confirmation. And you also can use Fibonacci retracement. You can see that first resistance kind of line up with 50% Fibonacci retracement over here. So meaning that when price approach this level, you go to the lower time frame and find the confirmation. So meaning that for correlation with dollar index, that's why you can see that dollar is rising really strongly. And I think GBP falling and gold also falling because they have negative correlation with dollar. Okay, and let's just look at the key level for EURUSD. Okay, over here is my first support, meaning that when price falling at this level, you can go to the lower time frame and execute your trade. Again, if you want to look for the key level, I recommended you to go to higher time frame like H1 or H4. Okay. Because if you go to lower time frame, there's a lot of noises, so it may be quite like difficult for you guys to look for the key level. Okay, so you can see that this very clear that my first resistance over here. And whenever price is break above this like swing high here, you can use Fibonacci extension. And then you can see that price is somehow goes slightly above my extension, which is 127 and 161.8, somewhere around here. You can just leave it right there, and you can go to all the way to the left. And what you can see here, this is your, if I want to highlight the key level, okay, from the wick and the body, this is my resistance zone. So basically my resistance zone, I will just leave it at my extension right here. Okay. And my first support, somewhere very close to 23.6%, and my second support has 61.8% level. This the level, you can highlight the zone. Okay. Let's just see for like, you know, this area here, like when price go to the zone or the area of your resistance level, you go to the M15. What you can see here, or even though we can might adjust a little bit here to just want to get a sharp like level here. You can see that one price go to this level. Okay, you can see there are a lot of rejection here, price falling. And again, this is you might get stop out if you have really tight stop loss, like for example right here. Okay, you might get stop hunting here, and then price is falling to the direction of the trend because we short EU because price already at the key resistance level. Okay, so if price come to this zone, you can buy up if you see the confirmation. Okay, confirmation is could be the form of divergence. Okay, or you can see the chart pattern, or you can see price action. Okay, this is my level. You can see that's right because dollar is rising and dollar. Okay, you should learn how to trade with correlation. You can see that one dollar index is at support level. Okay, usually or like 95%. You can see that EUR, GBP, and gold will be at the resistance level. So you need to know how to look for the correlation. Okay, if you want to trade Forex. Okay, because I know that a lot of the trader, they don't look at the dollar and they don't know what is the relationship with the dollar and like, you know, those like major pairs. So you can see that, right? Rising, falling, and if we wait for like, sorry, this is rising and falling, GBP falling as well, and gold will be falling as well. Okay, and this is my key level. Just take note of this level 2361 A. Let me pull out all. Okay, just keep it 23 for the no. Okay, this is a key level for my EURUSD. Let's just go for GBP. So GBPUSD, first I identify this my support level because, you know, price break above this high, but it seems like they are falling because you to look at the new calendar, the GBP came out, is here. Is this the news just now? Okay, the GBP came out, they are negative for GBP, that's why it's falling. So investor, they're selling the GBP and buy the dollar. Okay, so you can see that. So if price now, I need to might adjust my level because price already close below this my support level, so it's become my resistance. It's gonna be my first resistance, is my second resistance because I highlight the key level at my time zone, which is Asian market. Okay, and this is gonna be my first support, and it's gonna be my second support. Okay, and you can see that. So now you can let me see the way if we can chart the GBP now. We need to have to wait for price to pull back a little bit more to chart the GBP. This is gonna be your first sell. Okay, you sell at the resistance rate, price to pull back a little bit more, and then you short GBP. Because H1 to me is already close below because I identified this my first support. So you wait for price to pull back a little bit more and you short GBP to this target. Okay. Okay, this is my key level. There's a divergence here. Okay, we have a divergence here in H4 time frame. Okay, valid divergence versus the RSI, which is over, I seen here. Valid divergence. So target here for the GBP first support around just slightly before 23.6% fifth level. Okay. USD CHF, the main one, you go to daily. Or I go to the daily time frame, just want to look for the market structures. like you can see here, price can make a higher high, right? Higher low, higher high. And instead of here, in daily time frame, they break below this high, right? You can see a break below this low, create a new low here. And then after that, you can see price make a lower, start to have a lower high, lower low, lower high. So you know that price on bearish for the daily time frame. Okay. And where is our key level? And you can use Ichimoku crowd, like I just mentioned, price break below as well. Okay. So if you want to buy up, because trend is our friend, right? We identify, okay, this is our first resistance, meaning that if you want to short, you need to wait for price to go to the first resistance and then we short. But again, this is our kind of multi-swing low support level. So this is my buy entry, which is my first support. And you can see this is my first support, this is my multi-swing low here. If I were to buy, yeah, this is my price action right here. Even though price kind of falling. So you sometimes you need to make your own decision. If you buy now, where your stop loss slightly below this level. Okay, because we have price action here. What about the M15? Let's go to M15 to look for market structures. Okay, why we buy at this level? M15, when price come to the zone, if you want to wait for market structure shift, price make a lower low, lower high here. Okay, here, and they already make a market structure shift, which is this one. Price make a higher high. Okay, and when we get this enter, like with this like entry over here in M15, because I think price already come to the zone, you can see that price come to our buy zone, which is 61.8 and 78.6 here. This is our buy entry. Maybe I just put OTE, optimal trade entry. For me, you can see that price come to this zone and have the rejection here. Where is the entry? You can see the rejection and continue. So where is our, let's say if you buy now, you buy at this level. This is, I tell you like why we need to wait for confirmation. If you don't wait for confirmation, then if you are aggressive trader, then you need to know where you're going to put stop loss. So this is our buy. That's why you get the buy entry here. We need to highlight the key level in the H4 time frame. Go to M5, M15 to look for market structure shift. Okay, and where is our TP? My TP, this is my TP1 is at this level, minus negative 0.5. This is going to be my TP1 for scalping. Okay, meaning that TP1 might take profit if I'm gonna, like, buy. Let's say I buy from this candle and I put slightly below this stop loss here, below this wick. And my target here, okay, my RR, risk and reward is 1 to 2. Okay, it's more than 1 to 2. This is good enough for me, for this pair. You can see that you just have to hold, and this is your TP. Okay. Okay, let's just continue. So this is my level. This is how I enter the trade. Okay. What's about the you can see it for a long time. Price come to the first resistance level and then falling. Okay. Look for the daily time frame. What we can see over here. If you are swing trader, this is your support level for daily time frame, right? And price is just ranging in daily time frame. You can see that they just ranging here. Okay. And this is our first resistance. Okay, so sorry, this is a weekly. This daily is just ranging, right? So sometimes if this pair they unclear market structures, you don't need to like force yourself to trade for this pair. But what we can see here, excuse me. This is my first resistance. Okay, I need to adjust my level based on head 4. This is my first. This is my second resistance here. Okay, and you can see the price come to this level, have the rejection. You can use Fibonacci retracement, and that would be this one's like the no Fibonacci level. I don't use it, but you can get your first support here, which is we have 50% fib level, and my second support, just put it here, which is just here. Okay, I put by the body. Okay, and this is the level. Again, when you highlight the key level, either you want to draw at the body or at the wick, it doesn't matter. You need to find where the price and intersect each other here. Sometimes if there's a wick, something like that, I want to highlight my zone, which is this is my resistance zone. Okay, this is my resistance zone over here. I can use Fibonacci extension for this case as well. Okay, so my first support, if price break below like this 100%, my first support, I have Fibonacci retracement, and I have my extension. So this is my Fibo conference zone. Okay, this is the level, meaning that again, when price come to the zone here, then you just execute your trade. Let's just see this one, right? Price come and going again, and then you want to short at this level. I will bring you to the lower time frame to see what is M5 and M15 doing here. Okay, what you can see, this is how it look like in M5. Okay, in M5 over here, go to M15. Okay, you can see your price action here, right? This is the price action, meaning that price come to this zone. You can see that this zone, your price action long wick. You do the price action, you can short at this second candle here, and then you hold. Again, you hold. First TP should be at the body. You will hit the TP, and price come back again to this zone. And then you want to short again. You can see that price have another price action over here. Okay, and you can short at this level. You sell above that wick. This is your stop loss. You put the stop loss somewhere around here. Okay, just slightly above this wick, and then you hold your trade. Okay, price is falling. You can use trailing stop loss to lock in your profit, or you can just set your stop loss to break even. Okay, and this is the key level. I will move here. I will put here for my intermediate support, meaning that if I want to buy to this level, I just want to see the confirmation. Okay, or if price come here, they want kind of to make an M pattern. If they break kind of like below this, I might want to wait for price to pull back and then continue for the scalping. If they pull back somewhere here, I will short at this level, and this is my TP1. And if they continue to go, this is my TP2. But usually price is not all the way like falling straight, right? Either like they kind of like come here, break, pull back, or break below. Either you pull back. Some people they might put like sell stop, but I don't trade with sell stop. I like to wait for price pull back and then continue. Okay, so because we know price not go all the way straight. Okay, unless there is really have high impact new, and then they can break all the way to scan support. This is like I looking for the USD CAD. Okay, this is the level. USD JPY, anyone have a big money from USD JPY? If you hold the trade like buy and then you short from this level, okay, if you look at USD JPY, we're gonna short from this level because price action over here falling back up again. We have another price action at this one, and price cannot go or close above this resistance level. Okay, this your resistance level. Okay, you can see that falling to where? Falling to our this kind of like, you know, support level. Like price come a few times, falling and bounce off, and then falling one time, a few times, and then bounce, right? And back up here, we short, and then suddenly they break all the way below, even break below my kind of, this is my support, and break another like, you know, this is support level, another support level. Now it's become resistance, and all the way down here. So just identify the key level here, head 4. This is our first resistance. Okay, meaning that we wait for price to pull, and then we're gonna short from that level. You can see that price also has maybe 50% fib level, or no, 38.2, somewhere around here. Okay, and our second resistance, where is this? That could be at this level, meaning that that will be 38 at 61.8% fib level. In that case, I just leave it like that. Okay. The support level, just put here multi swing low here for the first support, which is if you know that, if you know how to identify the bullish or the block, this you are bullish or the block here, which is your support level or your demand zone. Either one you want to call. Either you want to call bullish or the block, or you want to call demand zone or support level. This is the same meaning that we want to short from this level, because now we buy up from this level. Okay, again, I will bring you to the lower time frame to see, and there might be a bullish divergence versus let me see if I see. Okay, there's a bullish divergence versus the RSI. You can see that price make a lower low, indicator is make a higher low. This one, I just make a double here. Okay, you can see that. So there's a divergence in H1 time frame. Okay, you can see the M30 have a price action here. Okay, when you identify the key level correctly, when price comes to the level, they will tell you that they will go to reward from this level, price action here. Okay, the price action was about M30, M15. Okay, M15 price break below this high. Okay, they break below the swing high here. They create a new high, which is the high here and the low here, right? And we use Fibonacci. And it seems like price come to our 61.8%. So we're gonna buy from this level and then hold, right? Where is our my TP1? This is my TP1, take profit. TP1 here. My TP2 gonna be at my first resistance somewhere around here. It's gonna be my TP2. Here is somewhere slightly before my first resistance level. Okay. Meaning that we already get the entry for the bar for the long here. Okay, this is my TP1 and it's just below this week. Okay, you can just put here, you can get like 1.2. Okay, this TP1 or TP2 will target somewhere at this slightly first resistance, but TP1 here at this level. Okay. Let's just look Aussie. Aussie dollar, you can see that this is our level, support level here. You have to put at the wick, right? This is this is your support level, the wick and the body. Like you can see that at the support level for daily time frame. But I like to go to the lower time frame, and then you will get the key level here. You can see that your first support right here. Okay, and this is your resistance here. You can see that zoom for you to see. Okay, price come to the level, have the rejection here, and you can use Fibonacci as well. There will be 50% Fib level for your first resistance. You can see it light up nicely. Okay, and your first or your next resistance you just put here. And your second resistance level. Okay, let's say if price break below your support level here, the target, this is gonna be the second support. Okay, you can use Fibonacci 50% Fib level, and that will be 50 to 61. Okay, and you can highlight like the level is here. Okay, this is your level. Let's say if price break below your first resistance, there will be extension 161.8 to your second support, meaning that every time you need to have like second plan, okay? Because there's a short, you want to buy up, but if price continue to fall, you're gonna be your from the first support become pullback resistance, and this is your you're gonna sell, right? If they pull back from your first support become resistance, you're gonna short from that level, and this is your TP because your level here you do have 61.8% Fib level, and we have an extension. If we use extension when price break below 100% Fibonacci level here, let me just put the again, the one price break below the starting point, which is 100%, we will use the extension, meaning that if they break below the first support, the target here, okay. Okay, continue to Kiwi dollar. Okay, we can look at Kiwi dollar now. I still buy at short for GB Aussie. This is the resistance level. Excuse me, you can see that falling on daily time frame. Target for the swing trade, that will be this support level here. For the swing trader, we can see we have extension here, and we do have I just leave maybe 61.8 right here. So therefore swing trade, okay, but how it go to the H4 time frame? Okay, in H4 time frame, the first resistance price already falling. You target for the support level is here. This is first support in H4. That's why price is falling and bounce off from this level. Okay. The second, this is gonna be here. I just remove this one. Okay, this is my first support daily, actually is the second support in H4. Okay, you can see very clearly that, or you can use the draw extension is in daily time frame. You can draw Fibonacci extension from H4 as well. It's gonna be to somewhere about 200%, but I'm not gonna use that. We can use the projection. I think the projection we have 100% projection here, meaning that if price break below my first support, this is the zone that I need to watch out for H4. Meaning that they're gonna be my TP1. I will keep a watch out of this level, which is somewhere around here, but for for daily is this, meaning that if price break here for the swing trade, they will come and target at extension here, which is here for the extension 161.8. But I'm gonna short from here. If I short now, pull back, I'm gonna short again. Like here, pull back, short, target here for TP1, okay, or here could be TP2. Second resistance right here. Let me just zoom to see. This is second resistance. Okay, for the GBP. Let's look at gold. Gold already all-time high. Anyone short gold at this level? I do already TP for scalping. This is my sell entry or first resistance, which is I put at the body. It exactly price come back up here and then falling at least 100 pip, right? From 2475 and all the way down to 2464, meaning 100 pip from this one to this level. Okay. Do you think that gold will falling? Because yeah, because the lot at the support level, and we have a price action here. So I'll wait for price to pull back a little bit, and then I'm gonna have another short entry. But this is the first resistance level. I will put at the body. This is my support in head 4, but there's a wick here, so I will kind of like, you know, highlight the level. Over here. If price break I'll just adjust here for my second support. Okay. Just, 2350. 2338. Okay. This is the level. Let's say if price break above this high, I will use the extension for my next resistance. But again, this is the week or time high here. I'll monitor here for my all-time high here. But let's say if price break, this is the next resistance, which is second resistance, just put here. Oh. Second resistance, I will put at the extension, which is 2495, or for the long term here. Extension, which is I just leave it right here. Okay. Let's just wait for price to pull back more. We short here 100 pip. Why I close here? Because this is the somehow the level, the support level almost hit the support level in M15, but usually for gold, I hold at least 50 pip, 50 to 100 pip, and I will just close. Okay, but if you trade gold for scalping, I think you can aim for 15 to 20 pip gold, right? And of course, if you scalp gold, you need to like in and out like very often. If you're scalping gold, I think risk and reward is not great, but you need to have the win rate for the strategy at least 90%. Okay, because for scalping you cannot measure by risk and reward, but you can measure by using the win rate. Okay, meaning that you need to have win rate more than 90%, meaning that your scalping strategy is work. If less than 80% is still okay, but if you, to me, just 85 to 90, I think that will be good for win rate for the scalping. Okay, so this is the level for gold today. Okay, we have a high impact news, so just take note of that. Just take note of this is the level. Okay, a lot of people say that price will go to like 2,500. Yeah, I think that could go up to that level as well. Okay. Any pair you meet, have a look. Anyone send request? Don't have. Okay, let's just look for oil. Okay, for oil, you can see that this is my key level. So long time ago, price come to extension, and now they break my first support and go to my second support. So my second support for H4 actually is the first support in H1. So this is my first support in H1. Sorry, H1 daily. Okay, you can see that this is our you can see from here there's a support level this way. Price break above this high, pull back, and you buy up at this level, like this level, right? Okay, go to H4. We have a price action here. Okay, this is identify your first resistance here. And this one is your first support. Let's just identify your first support here. Let me see. I just want to highlight the level, the body. Okay, the price falling very strongly. Let's say here, price already have price action here. Go to M15. What you can see, you also have price action here. There might be a divergence. Right, you can see that price make a high, indicator it make a lower high. So there's a bearish divergence here. You can double click to make it bigger. Yeah, then you will see it clearly. Okay, price falling very strongly. So this is how I mean by confirmation. Divergent, price action, chart pattern in a lower time frame. Look or you can look for market strategy if you trade by using the ICT or SMC. Okay, either strategy. Okay, this is the level of price falling. At least I target this is support level in H4, also daily support. Okay. Let me see. Slightly go above like 78.6% and then falling. The target, okay, now for the TP, if you short here, this could be your TP1. Slightly here for TP1 you short here, and then this is either you identify your first support here, your second support is here. Okay. Level. Oh no, H4. Let me just adjust again. This is T. This is a second resistance. Okay. Five falling at least. I think 50% it could be your TP1 or your first support. Again, this is a very strong sell. If you want to buy the first support, you might need to wait for confirmation or like bounce like for a few pips, and then after that you need to short oil 50%. Okay, you can see 50% here. Put at the top. Okay, you can see really strong sell for oil here. Okay, 50%. So that's a sell. Okay, again. target TP1 want to buy up, just have to wait for conversion low time frame and then you buy. Okay, not gonna buy hold until all the way to second resistance. Okay, we pay first resistance and first support. Either they break and then you need to either wait like so you break here, have another sale and then short target here. Or if you want to buy for the bounce, might bounce a little bit here, like bounce here, TP could be somewhere here and then continue to fall because they create like hidden base somewhere around here. Like here, meaning that there will be leftover entry somewhere around, left order somewhere around like this zone. Okay. Let me cover Germany 40. Excuse me. Anyone trade indices, you can let me know, but I myself I don't trade because okay, this okay. How you get a this entry? Either you identify this is your resistance zone, right? I did your resistance zone here, your that is you know how you get this one, like I remove. If you identify this one here, daily time frame, okay, you will get the entry based on this bearish order block, which is this one, bearish OB, which is bearish order block here. You took kind of identify, meaning that if price come back to this zone, you're gonna short from that level, okay, and then we identify this is our kind of like, you know, support level here. Let's put it to week. Okay, let's just see. And you can see that price come to the zone here, right? And then falling. Falling here, your TP, first TP should be at the body of your daily time frame. You have to short here, right? You can see the TP and then bounce off. Okay, for the swing trade. So how do you get the bearish OB? You can see this the one. What about H4? How it look like? It's how H4. So because this is quite a big zone, in H4, if you want to identify the level, this is your bearish order block. Okay, either you put at the body here, you'll miss, but usually I will include the wick and the wick, and this is the zone. Price come to this zone, you're gonna short at this level. The TP you can put at the body up on your left here, and then you get TP1 right here. Okay, so identify the key level, your first resistance right here. My second resistance is right here. Based on this one, okay, either you see this one, and then price come in, and then you short from that level. Okay, the TP should be first TP here, and second TP should be here. Let me adjust the level for H4. This is my first support. This is my second support. Meaning that the price, my first resistance, I have 50% fib level. I have 100% projection for my second resistance. Okay. Let's just look at Dow Jones. What's going on? All-time high, right? And I think for this one, price should already at the should bounce. I mean, should fall from this level because weekly is already. I think it's at extension. You see, extension. This is first resistance of extension for weekly. It touch exit. You can see that first resistance. It's the support here. Okay, the week break, pull back here, support level. This is a weekly because all-time high, right? Go to daily, look at daily. Okay, daily is how you look like. They're like, you know, they're falling. Because this is extension for weekly. That would be 50%, 38.2. 38.2% fib level exacts at the support level here. You can see we have 38.2% fib level. Okay, falling. The next support is, yeah. Okay, what about H4? What you can see in H4? Let's say you want to short from the first resistance, go to M5. You can see one price come, you can see that cannot go above here, right? You can see then you have a price action here. M15, M30 got barely engulfing candle here. What about M5? There's a divergence versus the divergence here. Right? You can see that. And this is how you get the entry or confirmation. Okay, let's just look for H4 level. You might have to take note of this, but that's quite high. But this the level I will identify the support level in H4. Okay. This is the, this is second support, okay, for H4 time frame. At least to buy here, I think it's too high for me. I want to monitor at this level. It just, there's no level here on the left. But if price come to the first support, you see the rejection, you can buy here. This is a good level to buy. Okay. Let me see. Anyone want to? Okay, I just launched the poll. Can you guys hear me? What? You guys can see my screen, right? By the way. Can you guys see my screen? I hope you guys can see, right? Can you guys see my screen? I think I'm almost finishing. I hope you guys can see. Okay. Okay. Last one, any pair you guys want to request? We cover, I think, almost all BTC. Okay, the last one, let's just look at the BTC. Okay. BTC for daily. This is we gonna short at this level. Somehow this our short here. Okay, so you need to wait for price to go up a little bit more for daily, which is at the neckline here. That will be I'll just leave at 78.6%, which is so somewhere around here. So this level. Okay, at this level, meaning you are prepared to pull back a little bit more. Okay. Let's just look at the at H4 based on this level. That will be my extension. I will just leave my extension for my first resistance right here. Okay, we're gonna short at this level somewhere around here. The first support is here. Excuse me. And this is gonna be my second support. Okay, that will be $23 pip level, and we have zone. Okay, this is our second support zone right here. Target here TP1. So just wait more. So meaning that let's just look outside. Okay, meaning that you want if you see like price go all the way up here. Okay, you see here price make a higher high, and then meaning that you fall, meaning that price make a bearish engulf, right? Bearish divergence, and then you slowly see price, the indicator. Okay, they kind of like make a like lower high here. Okay, in here it make higher high and indicator it may lower high, and then you can short from this level. Okay, or you can wait for price action in the lower time frame. Let's say price break above the first resistance. The key, this is a next resistance level is here, meaning that slightly here. Okay, let's say you also can use extension, by the way, because price create the high, create the low, right? You can use the extension from swing high to swing low here. And you can see that you also for resistance, we do have extension right here. Okay, which is here. Meaning that I start to sell when price come to kind of like this level. Okay, and this is my sell zone. So basically this is my sell zone. My sell zone here. Okay. This one is slightly big, but I just monitor, but it's going to be my first sell zone here when price come to this one. I want to see the rejection in lower time frame. I'm going to short, but you to come here, I might have the layer in zone somewhere around this level. Okay, but if price all the way here, you hit my stop loss, and I will wait for price to come to kind of like this second resistance and maybe recover loss somewhere around here, meaning that I short here, that should have somewhere my stop loss somewhere around here. If price hit stop loss, my next entry should be here. Okay, because I don't want to see the price. You trade, you short here, and then you see price rising and keep rising here. Sometimes they might break first resistance, a second resistance, and all the way. So hit stop loss, I will wait here, like at the second resistance. You always set stop loss to protect your capital. Okay. All right, guys, that's all for today. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for your time. I will see you guys. Okay, you will see me tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow I'll be teaching. I forgot the topic. Okay, because usually the education gonna be every Wednesday, right? But I think Wednesday we kind of shifted to tomorrow. So please come and join the webinar. You will see me again tomorrow. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Just take note of the high impact newsletter. Okay. Um, mm, mm. Okay, guys. Bye. Take care. Bye for now.